Kobalt 7¼ inch sliding miter saw.
Or how's it working out for you?
It's working great. I just actually cut a bunch of 2x4s to build this here with it. And I just changed the blade, and I was cutting an aluminum extrusion thing. So it cuts, you know, depending on the blade you got and whatever you switch it out, you can cut wood, aluminum,
Really?
you know, whatever you can do. It comes with the blade that's in it, which is great for cutting wood. I had to buy the other blade. And it also slides, so if you put something in there, you can, you know, you get a 2x6 or whatever, you can cut it like that. It does come with a bag in the back, just a dust collection, or you can take that off and connect it to a dust collection system. Adjustable at different angles, and it has something over here, so if you're working by yourself and you need to hold down the piece, sometimes you don't have somebody that can help you, you can hold down the piece.
That came with it?
It came with it, and it also has laser light. You can see the laser light again. I'm gonna put my hand over there, but there you go. So you can kind of see where the laser light, and you can adjust that so that the blade hits it perfectly. So it kind of gives you an idea where it's going.
Kobalt 7¼ inch sliding miter saw.